Alright, thank you for playing this video. I know interested ka rin kumita ng milyon online. By the way, this is Johnny Bodegas. And some of you will ask, Johnny, posible ba talaga kumita ng milyon online? Yes, of course, posible kasi based on my years of experience of trials and errors, na kahit ikaw mismo, sobrang busy ka sa work mo, sobrang busy ka sa ginagawa mo yon, even business owners, doctors, and professionals, even ordinary people, nagagawang kumita ng malaki online. So if ever interested ka, tapusin mo lang yung video na to para malaman mo lahat ng details kung paano ba ginagawa yung sistema na yon. Don't get me wrong here kasi hindi kita i-convince dito. I'm just here to present. If ever na nagustuhan mo, no commitment, no pressure. Gawin natin yung online opportunity na to pag nagustuhan mo. If ever hindi naman, thanks for your time. At least na-share namin sa'yo yung opportunity mismo. Na kung saan kami mismo na-experience na namin. That's why we are sharing this to you para ikaw din mismo magkaroon ng another source of income at the same time to achieve financial and time freedom. So continue to watch this video. Imagine this. What if there is no difference with your everyday life, with your vacation life? Kumbaga kumikita ka online kahit saan mo gusto, kahit anong ginagawa mo pa. If you want to earn big time without a boss, you are in the right place and at the right time. And if you want this kind of lifestyle, continue to watch this video and be sure to finish this video because you will thank me later on pag natapos mo talaga yung video na to. The goal is not about the money. The goal is living the life you wanted. Kasi useless yung marami kang pera kung hindi mo talaga nagagawa yung gusto mo sa buhay. So right now, ready ka na ba talaga? Seryoso ka ba talaga malaman kung paano ba talaga kumikita ng malaki online? If not, right now, kung nagdududa ka pa rin, wag mo nang ituloy ang papanood ng video na to. Kasi useless lang, sayang lang yung oras mo pag once na nagdududa ka pa rin. Kasi hindi mo rin talaga maintindihan kung ano man yung bibigay ko sa yung information na sobrang ganda ng opportunity na i-offer ko sa iyo. Dahil para lang to sa mga taong gusto talaga maging successful sa buhay, na kung saan gusto mo talaga ma-achieve yung time and financial freedom, this is really for you. Regardless of what you are doing right now, regardless kung ano man yung background mo, as long as willing kang matuto, tuturo ko sa'yo, sobrang simple lang talaga kumita ng malaki online. And I will show you every details along the way in this presentation. So right now, all you have to do is sit back and relax, just open your mind, and pay attention sa lahat ng sasabihin ko dito, sa lahat ng ma-discover mo dito sa presentation ko na to. Para ikaw din mismo ma-realize mo na sobrang ganda yung opportunity yung ibibigay ko sa'yo. Don't worry, it won't take much of your time anyway. If you're not 110% impressed, you will never hear about this business offer again from me or from my business partners. So fair enough? In this presentation, ang malalaman mo is yung company profile, kung ano ba yung online opportunity na meron ako ngayon. So right now, welcome to Uno Premier. We are unique and different among other companies right now, wherein kakaiba talaga yung Uno Premier, that once na gusto mo malaman lahat ng details about Uno Premier, you can go to our website, www.beprivileged.net, na doon lahat nakadiscuss about Uno Premier. Uno Premier has a mother company that was founded last 2007 na ngayon mismo we have 100 branches all over the Philippines. Then, ang endorser natin mismo is si Manny Pacquiao. Ito yung signing of contract. Ito yung mga previous fights niya. Nasuot niya mismo yung logo ng company natin dahil siya mismo, ini-endorse niya yung company natin. At dahil sobrang dami na naging successful sa company natin, na featured na rin tayo sa mga TV shows, and even sa Amerika, na featured na rin tayo. Then tayo mismo nakapag-expand na rin sa iba't ibang countries worldwide, wherein ang vision ng company is to expand 3 to 5 countries worldwide every 6 months. Then recently lang, nakapagbukas tayo ng office natin sa Long Beach, California. Then last June 13, 2015, nakapag-grand launch na rin tayo doon mismo sa California, sa Beverly Hills Hotel, nag-grand opening na rin tayo doon. At ito yung mga publications sa California nung nag-grand launch tayo doon. So ito yung mga people behind Uno Premier, wherein our president is William Barbo, our vice president is Herbie Chua, and our chief operating officer is Oliver Chua, with 20 years of experience and produced over 1,000 multimillionaires in this industry. So kumbaga sila mismo networkers na before, and right now with their company na sobrang successful na, ginawa nila yung Uno Premier right now to cater a different market dito sa network marketing arena sa Philippines and even sa worldwide market. Na tayo mismo mismo ang kauna-unahang Filipino-owned company, first in Asian multi-level marketing company na nakapasok sa USA mismo. Ito rin yung celebration natin sa Valkyrie Club noong nag-grand launch tayo last March 15, 2015. Nakapag-award na rin tayo ng mga top earners natin nung nag-grand launch tayo. Uno Premier is located in the heart of Bonifacio High Street na kung saan we are the only network marketing company given the privilege para makapag-put up ng office dito sa area na to. Ito yung sa loob ng office natin na kung saan ang office natin is not just an ordinary office, not just the typical network marketing office na makikita mo sa ibang company. We are the only company here in the Philippines na kung saan may TV episodes tayo na entitled At the Top. Then, ang products ng Uno Premier is not just ordinary products na kung saan sabi ni Paul Zane Pilzer, wellness business is the next trillion-dollar industry na sobrang bigatin yung industriya na to. Uno products are in highest quality and premium products na kung saan globally awarded pa siya and highly certified products where in fact, we are the number one multi-level marketing company in Asia for 5 consecutive years na. And also, we are the only company here in the Philippines na kung saan may highest certification na ISO standard. And also here in Uno Premier, we have highest quality health and wellness products with our most premium selections. So right now, the question is, paano ba makapagsimula at makapag-partner sa iyo dyan, Johnny, sa business mo sa Uno Premier? As Uno Premier members, you can choose of any of our product lines. We have a separate video discussing all the details of our benefits ng mga products natin. So mapapanood mo rin siya sa www.beprivilege.net para malaman mo kung gaano ka-effective yung mga products natin. So paano ka ba talaga kikita sa Uno Premier? So first, all you have to do is buy a product package with the best value of 134,640. So dito, kung titingnan mo, sobrang laki siya, pero sobrang liit lang siya kasi yung best value na makukuha mo ng worth of products rin mismo, kung magkano yung in-invest mo, ganun din yung babalik sa'yo. Kaya talagang 100% satisfaction guaranteed ka, then 100% risk-free ka. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi in just few months lang, return of investments ka na pag naubos mo lahat ng product package mo. Na kung saan yung product package din natin, yung lahat ng products natin, gaya ng sinabi ko, it is globally awarded and highly certified, kaya hindi ka mahirapang magbenta talaga. So, ang iba sa inyo ngayon, ano ba yan? Sobrang mahal naman yan, Johnny. So, don't worry kasi pag tinapos mo yung video na to, I have a best deal for you na kung saan I will give you choices, the best choice na mapipili mo pag once interesado ka talaga mag-start ng business mo dito sa Uno Premier with a small amount of capital lang. So, be sure to go on and continue to watch this video. Then, bukod dun sa worth of products na makukuha mo, magkakaroon ka pa ng other benefits na online webpage, replicated website. You can download our Uno Premier mobile app. Magkakaroon ka rin ng online store. And we will provide you a quality conference trainings pag ginawa mo tong business na to. With a great value of approximately 50,000 pesos for free na yan. Then, as an Uno Premier member, magkakaroon ka rin ng privilege card. It is an all-access card na magkakaroon ka ng discount sa mga partner establishments natin like resorts, hotels, and restaurants na malaking discounts yung maa-avail mo pag member ka ng Uno Premier. So, dyan pa lang bawing-bawi ka na sa investment mo. Given the privilege with our all-access card, I already helped many people to earn their first million online with my proven and tested, easy-to-follow system. And I want to help more people sa lahat na mag-partner sa akin dito. And if you are willing to make this business great, pag-usapan natin, pagtulungan natin. This is my ultimate goal why I keep on doing this business. So, paano ba kita matutulungan dito sa Uno Premier? Uno Premier has 10 ways to earn. This is the right and perfect vehicle for you to start making millions in your online business with the lifetime benefits that can be a legacy business for your family later on. And a maximum of 12 million pesos earning potential per month, and of course, an international business for a very low cost capital. So first, once you purchase a product package, you will automatically avail the lifetime discounts of 25 to 40% in all of our products. You can directly sell our products without any quota through your personalized online store like this, or you can find resellers of our products if you are not into selling. Sa second ways to earn natin dito sa Uno Premier, ang kailangan mo lang ay mag-refer ng tao. So you can refer people by sharing this video dun sa YouTube, Facebook, o kung saan mang social media. 90% is my effort. Ang gagawin mo lang is the 10% effort. Papanood mo lang yung video na to. Then, pag once na may sumali sa'yo, you will get the commission. So magkano ba yung commission mo? Pag may napasali ka, you will earn 14,280 cash and products pag may na-refer kang tao. So, ilan ba yung taong kailangan mo ma-refer dito sa Uno Premier? You only need to refer 2 people para maging successful dito sa Uno Premier. Later on, di-discuss ko kung bakit. Third way to earn natin is dual matching bonus, na kung saan pag once member ka na, you will have a left group and right group. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, pag may na-refer ka, kikita ka ng 14,280. Another one, 14,280. And if the system generates na mayroon kang isa sa left, isa sa right, kikita ka ng additional 14,400 pesos. By just referring 2 people, kikita ka na kaagad ng 42,960 pesos. Then right now, gaya ng sinabi ko, pag may na-refer kang dalawa, tapos na yung trabaho mo. So, all you have to do is teach those 2 people na nakuha mo, na na-refer mo, na makahanap din sila ng dalawang tao din nila. Then, tuturuan mo lang sila, anong gagawin nila is just by sharing this video. So, ngayon, if ever nakapag-refer na sila ng tigda dalawa, sila din mismo kikita ng 42,960. So ngayon, ikaw wala ka nang ginawa. May kikitain ka pa ba? Then right now, ito yung the best part. Kasi yung system uli, makikita niya may isa sa left, may isa sa right, kikita ka ng 14,400. Then another isa sa left, another isa sa right, kikita ka ng 14,400. So a total of 28,800 pesos na ni-refer na ng mga taong na-refer mo. Na ikaw mismo, hindi ka na nag-refer, pero may kikitain ka pa rin na 28,800 pesos. So ganun kaganda yung dual matching bonus natin. Ito yung pinaka long-term scenario na pwede mangyari sa'yo. Wherein, time will come, wala kang choice kasi kahit dalawa lang nakuha mo, dadami at dadami yan. So, ibig sabihin, the more na may taong pumapasok sa organization mo, sa left and right mo, kikita ka rin ng 14,400 up to infinity na yan, na kung saan unlimited na yan. Lifetime, kikita ka ng 14,400 every time na may taong pumapasok sa left and right mo. Diba sobrang ganda ng third ways to earn natin? Ito pa pinakamalupit dyan. Compared to other companies, yung iba sasabihin sa'yo, kumuha ka ng maraming accounts. Dito sa Uno Premier, dahil nakaset tayo sa international standard, ang kailangan mo lang kunin ay isang account. Dahil, all you have to do is to have a discount in our products. So, pag may discount ka na sa products natin, hindi mo na kailangan magkaroon ng maraming accounts. And the same way din, kunyari, may na-refer kang 16 people. Ang gagawin mo, pag may 15 accounts ka sa ibang company, ito yung structure na gagawin mo para ma-maximize mo yung 15 accounts mo. Pero dito sa Uno Premier, gaya ng sinabi ko, dalawa lang kailangan mo. The rest na 14 people na ma-refer mo, ilalagay mo na dun sa ilalim ng mga tao mo na na-refer mo. So in that way, natutulungan mo sila na magkaroon ng mga tao sa baba na kung saan 50% of effort na itulong mo na dun sa mga members mo sa baba. Ang kailangan lang nila ay yung tao sa left nila or sa right nila para kumita din sila ng 14,400. So for example, ikaw to, ang nakapag-refer sa'yo ay may 15 accounts. Then dito sa Uno Premier, same scenario. Kunyari, may na-refer kang 6 people. Pag dito ka sa 15 accounts, wala kang choice kasi dalawa pa yung kailangan mo. Ang gagawin mo ay hahatiin mo yung 6 people mo. 3 sa left, 3 sa right. Pero dito sa Uno Premier, dahil nagtutulungan tayo 50% of effort, itutulong na sa'yo ng upline mo. Ngayon, yung 6 na people na yon, ang gagawin mo na lang din ay ilalagay sila sa isang straight line para magtutulungan din sila na 6 na tao. Kaya sa ibang company, bago ka sumali, sasabihin nila, tutulungan ka niya. Pero pag nakasali ka na, hindi ka makaka-experience talaga ng tulong dahil maraming accounts yung mini-maintain nung upline mo. Pero dito sa Uno Premier, may experience mo talaga yung support kasi, for example, ako mismo, dalawa lang yung kailangan ko, meron akong dalawa, I have no choice kundi lahat ng papasok sa akin, lahat ng susali sa akin, ilalagay ko na lang, itutulong ko na lang doon sa mga taong napasali ko na. At ang pinakamaganda dito kasi, pag once na nag-decide ka, after mo mapanood yung video na to, magkakaroon ka ng advantage na kung saan mauuna ka doon sa mga taong sasali sa akin in the next few days. Na pag if ever, may mga taong sumali sa akin na mas magaling kaysa sa'yo, at once nauna ka sa kanila, eventually, lahat ng effort nila, lahat ng taong mapapasali nila, under na rin sa grupo mo. Kasi nga, naitulong ko sila dun sa baba mo mismo. So maganda, after mo makapag-decide, after mo mapanood yung video na to. So ngayon, dito pa lang sa dual matching bonus natin, dito sa feasibility study na pa ipapakita ko sa'yo. Kaya ako sinabi sa'yo kanina na kailangan mo lang at least 2 taong mapasali. For example, dito sa scenario na to, yung lahat ng taong 2 napasali mo, ang gagawin mo lang is turuan lang din sila para makapag-refer ng tigda 2 nila. Then sa 2 na-refer mo, walang nakakuha ng 3 or more than 2 people. So tingnan natin, after 6 weeks, kung ano yung pwede mangyari sa'yo if ever ginawa mo yung system na to. Yung feasibility study natin, walang magic to. Yung computation na ipapakita ko sa'yo, possible na mangyari talaga sa'yo within 6 weeks lang. So ngayon, tatanungin kita, possible ba makakuha ka ng 2 tao, makarefer ka ng 2 tao within the first week na pag-join mo? Yes, of course, kasi ang gagawin mo lang, i-share mo lang yung video mismo. So, talagang possible na mangyari sa iyo yan, kasi ako mismo na-experience ko na within 2 days lang nakakuha na ako ng dalawa. So, kung ako mismo nagawa ko na konti lang yung kakilala ko, ikaw din mismo, kaya mo rin to. So, titingnan natin. Sa second week mo, wala ka nang ginawa, tinuruan mo lang din yung dalawa mo na kumuha ng tigda-dalawa din. Then, sa third week din, yung dalawang nakuha mo, tumigil na rin. Yung 4 na nakuha nila, gagawin nila, kukuha lang din ng tigda-dalawa. Then, in fourth week, and so on and so forth, ganito yung mangyayari sa'yo. So, within 6 weeks, huwag kang magugulat sa pwede mong kitain dito kahit kumuha ka lang ng tigda-dalawa. So, magkano yung total na kikitain mo dito? It is close to 1 million or 907,200 pesos in just 6 weeks lang yan. So, ito, kung titingnan nyo, it's too good to be true, pero hindi mo to malalaman or hindi mo to ma-experience kung hindi mo siya talaga susubukan. Kaya if ever ikaw mismo may pera ka naman sa bangko, imbis na ilagay mo sa bangko lang yan, na tumutubo, sobrang liit lang, dito, pag in-invest mo dito, gawin mo yung system natin, yung dalawang makuha mo, tuturuan mo lang din ng makakuha ng tigda-dalawa. So, you'll never know this unless you try this business. To prove that to you na yung feasibility study natin is very possible na mangyari sa'yo. Nung awarding natin, nung March 15, ito yung top earners natin, top 3 earners natin, na sila mismo kumita ng more than 1 million dahil sa sobrang dali lang ng sistema natin. So, take note of this. We are just barely starting. Na gaya ng sinabi ko kanina sa'yo, may 50% effort pa kaming maitutulong sa'yo pag nag-join ka kaagad dito sa business natin. Then, fourth way of earning natin, we have direct matching bonus. So, for example, ito yung nangyari sa'yo. Yung dalawang na-refer mo, si A and B, dumating sa point na sila mismo, dumami na yan sa baba nila. Bukod doon sa dual matching bonus mo, dahil ikaw yung nag-refer dito sa dalawa na to, sa kay A and B, for example, si A, kumita ng 500,000. Si B kumita ng 200,000. Automatically, dahil ikaw nag-refer, din nag-invest ka ng 134,640, kikita ka pa ng additional 10% dun sa kinita nila. So, eventually, pag dumami yung kita ni A and B, the more na marami ka ring 10% na makukuha. On top of your dual matching bonus yan. So, ibig sabihin nun, at least 2 makakuha ka. Pero the more you refer, the bigger the income bonus. Dagdag dun sa 10%. Then, dito sa fifth way of earning natin, it is a global profit sharing na kung saan lahat ng mabenta dun sa mother company natin na Uno at saka sa Uno Premier worldwide, take note lahat ng mabentang products worldwide, magkakaroon tayo ng privilege to have the 12% shares dito sa lahat ng sales ng company yearly to. Ang gagawin mo lang is makapag-qualify ka dun sa ranking ng Uno Premier para magkaroon ka ng mga profit sharing dito. So dito talaga may experience mo, talaga maging privilege ka. Pag ordinary employee ka lang or ordinary businessman ka lang, mahirap ka magkakaroon ng profit sharing kasi nga, hindi naman ikaw yung may-ari. Pero dito sa Uno Premier, once na nagtaas yung rank mo, ikaw mismo magiging qualify ka sa mga profit shares ng company, yearly yan ina-award sa atin. Para ma-experience mo talaga na sobrang privilege ka dito sa Uno Premier. Then right now, hindi ko na i-discuss yung 5 other ways to earn dito sa Uno Premier. Kung gusto mo malaman yung other 5 ways to earn, you can go to www.beprivileged.net para malaman mo lahat ng other 5 ways to earn. Din papakita ko sa iyo ngayon yung mga successful members natin dito sa Uno Premier. Gaya nito sa UAE pa lang, we have 4 branches sa UAE na within less than 2 years, sobrang dami na nagka-resulta doon, sobrang dami ng kumita ng malaki talaga doon. Ito yung anniversary natin sa UAE, ito yung celebration natin sa Singapore Grand Launch, ito yung sa Hong Kong, ito yung sa United Kingdom natin, mga members natin, ito yung Uno Premier members natin sa Lagos and Abuja, Nigeria, sa South Korea, at sa Pakistan. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ang vision ng company natin, dahil pang worldwide market tayo, ang vision ng company natin is to open 3 to 5 branches worldwide in every 6 months. So ngayon, projected natin, magbubukas tayo sa Canada, India, at marami pang ibang bansa. So right now, gaya ng sinabi ko rin kanina, I have a great deal for you pag tinapos mo tong video na to. Ang gagawin mo lang is choose a package to secure your top slot in our team. So ngayon, bukod dun sa 134,640 na package, mayroon pa tayong mga ibang packages na kung saan we have Premier package na worth 33,660, mayroon tayong Elite package na 67,320, then ito yung Global package natin kanina. The only difference dito sa mga packages natin is the potential income and sa point system natin. So, the bigger the package you get, the more benefits na makukuha mo. So, for example, balik tayo dun sa feasibility study natin kanina, wherein lahat ng pumasok sa'yo na tigdadalawa is all Premier package. Ito yung potential income na kikitain mo within 6 weeks, which is 226,800 pesos. Pag all elite packages naman, within 6 weeks, ito naman yung kikitain mo, close to 500,000 pesos. Then ito yung diniscuss ko kanina na global package, close to 1 million pesos in just 6 weeks lang. So, ito pinakamalupit dito. Come to think of it, lahat ng friends mo sa Facebook, hindi lang dalawa. Tingnan mo yung friends mo sa Facebook kung gaano sila kadami. What if you can refer more than 2 people? Expect even greater income bonuses dito sa Uno Premier business natin. Depende dun sa Premier package, sa Elite package, then sa Global package na kinuha mo. Advice ko sa'yo, kung may pera ka naman dyan, go to the higher packages na kaya mong i-afford para makapag-put up ka ng business mo in a long term na sobrang laki ng potential income. Ito pa good news. If ever one of you right now watching this video, then may credit card ka, this is the best time na gamitin mo yung credit card mo. Bakit? Kasi syempre, dito sa Uno Premier, pwede mong gamitin yung credit card mo with zero interest for 3 to 6 months, kung saan, pag once na ginamit mo yung credit card mo, makukuha mo yung buong packages mo, na once na benta mo siya in less than 1 month lang, bawi na kaagad yung puhunan mo, pwede mo na ipangbayad dun sa credit card mo, then eventually, parang hindi ka naglabas ng pera, member ka na ng Uno Premier, and at the same time, may lifetime business ka na pang long term talaga. So unlike before, ginagamit natin yung credit card natin para bumili lang na walang bumabalik. Pero this is the best time na pag ginamit mo talaga yung credit card mo, i-maximize mo yung credit card mo, na bukod dun sa best value of products na makukuha mo, pag nabenta mo, then masisecure mo pa yung top slot dito sa team natin. So this is the best deal na may offer ko sa'yo and a best choice na pwede mong gawin pag once na may credit card ka. So right now, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to take action for you to get started now. You don't have to waste more any time after you watch this video. So right now, 'di ba sobrang ganda ng opportunity ng Uno Premier. Ngayon, ipakilala lang kita sa mga successful people na mga business partners natin dito para ikaw mismo ma-inspired ka kung ano ba yung pwedeng mangyari din sa'yo dito pag tinry mo tong Uno Premier business natin. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, you will never know unless you try this opportunity. So let's hear from them.
Today we have RG Morales, an architect by profession. Will you tell us more about why you joined Uno Premier?
I was surprised because I find it really interesting. In fact, the minute we went out of the house, I said to Rupert, I want to invest. I want to be in. So tell me more about it.
But why did you choose Uno Premier?
Yeah, Uno Premier's strategy is that you only have to get 2 business partners. So it's very easy. Okay, so what I did, I invested for myself, and then since you only have to get 2 business partners, sabi ko mukhang madali yun. So I got one for my eldest daughter and my youngest daughter. So family muna.
Family, yeah.
Kasi after putting them in the system, all I need are 4 business partners, which I got easily. From there, everything went smoothly na eh. Kaya first of all, the investment is not really big. Tapos you get to get back your investment right away in a short span of time. Now, the best thing about it, it's easy for the investor to get 2 partners. It's very easy. All you need to do is just follow up the accounts, and then everything will follow. With the products and with the system behind it, I think it will really prosper.
So architect, meron ba kayong message sa mga televiewers natin today?
Yeah, for all of those who are interested in investing, even if you have work, in my case, I'm an architect and a contractor, and I'm happy with what I'm doing. Kaya lang sabi nila, you have to have other sources of income. When I joined Uno Premier, I learned from that company na it's fulfilling kasi una-una, it really works. Yeah, Uno Premier, I can change your life like what it did to me. Ang vision ko kasi sa mga employees ko is to help them later on. With Uno Premier, I think that will be achievable. Yeah, we all want to be privileged.
May mga panahon na naiisip namin na kailangan meron din tayong chance para sa sarili natin, sa pamilya, and we can do that if we have passive income. And with Uno Premier, we found that passive income will be very, very possible. And one more thing, this is a good legacy to our kids. Kasi itong negosyong to, pwede mong ipasa sa iyong mga anak.
Right now, we have attorney Ronel Cole with us. I guess the first question I would like to ask you is, are you a member of Uno Premier?
Yes, I'm already a member of Uno Premier.
How do you feel about Uno Premier? I mean, what's the difference between this and your traditional marketing companies?
I have reviewed the compensation plan, and it's really a good compensation plan compared to other companies.
And you being an attorney, do you see the legalities? Is there anything illegal, or you know what they call pyramid scheme or anything like that in the industry?
Yes, I also reviewed all the legal aspects of this business. Can assure you that everything is legal. There's no scam here because whenever you buy a package, they will give you a corresponding product package.
We're here with Abby Marquez. Can you tell me what is your profession, by the way?
Yes, I'm a sales manager in a real estate company.
So let me ask you, why are you with Uno Premier?
Yes, the reason why I take the opportunity of Uno Premier is because this is very stable, an opportunity of a lifetime for me. And of course, it creates a passive income. And this is very, what do you call this? Extravagant, extraordinary business opportunity.
Actually, before we get involved into business, dati kaming employee sa computer shop. Computer shop attendant ako ng isang shop.
Well, I was invited in Uno when I was 19. That was year 2011. I was in my 4th year, was taking up management in Ateneo. And during that time, I just really wanted to do something productive with my extra time.
You talk about dreams. What's your dream for you, for your family?
Actually, ako, pangarap ko lang sa family ko, hindi mag-suffer financially. Lalo na nung nag-umpisa pa lang ako, ayoko ma-experience nila yung mga hirap na pinagdaanan ko. That's why we're working hard right now, is for them to, yung sa family namin, especially sa finances namin, maging stable na.
I found out that network marketing is a different industry in the States and in Europe na it's considered a profession for them. Well, nakita ko lang naman sa research kasi is way behind tayo sa information
That's right.
So for me, masasabi ko lang talaga sa mga taong skeptical or hindi pa masyado ma-appreciate ang network marketing, iba pa rin pag pinag-aralan eh.
Right.
So from there, pag pinag-aralan nila, lalo na yung company na papasukin nila, dapat alam nila yung company background, saan nanggaling, ano yung mga products. From there, if they see everything is legit, so worth a try. Kasi masyado naman pababa yung business investment compared to traditional business.
And yung products kasi very competitive na kahit i-offer mo in other countries na with higher standards talaga, hindi ka mapapahiya At the same time, the opportunities very viable din. But with Uno Premier naman kasi the support system is one of the best that I've seen. Na for example, you get your left and your right, there's a higher chance of it continuing because yung left and right mo nga na napasali is given an environment, a support system na pwede nilang, kumbaga mas mapadali yung pagbibusiness nila.
Ano tong experiences mo na ayaw mo nang madanasan ng mga anak mo?
Gusto ko mapunta sila sa mga private school, tsaka yung mga bagay na hindi ko na-experience before, ma-experience nila. And yung paghihirap naman, actually one of the hardest part yung naging employee ako kasi wala nang oras sa family, wala pang masyadong naiipon. So ayoko ma-experience nila yun.
What I really wanted was very simple. I just wanted to become independent as soon as possible. Building my residual income, I can actually, my goals, my dreams, that nice car, nice house, savings, travel, and everything without having to ask from my parents with this opportunity. Right after I saw the opportunity, I immediately grabbed it and might as well, parang inisip ko na lang, sige, try lang naman eh.
For me, if you want something you never had before, you must do something you never done before. I never done network marketing before. Yun yung nangyaring resulta sa akin, paulit-ulit lang napansin ko. Kain, tulog, trabaho, kain, tulog, trabaho. Pero yung iniba ko yung ginagawa ko and I tried on something new, sobrang ganda ng mga nangyari sa amin, mga bago din ang mga bago hindi namin na-experience before. And yun nga, if you always do what you've always done, you will always get what you've always got. In short, kung nakikita mo sa buhay mo paulit-ulit yung nangyari, there must be something wrong. If you're the person who wants to reach their dreams, you must do something new.
First of all, I want to thank Uno Premier for this wonderful opportunity to be able to share. Siguro may message ko lang to all the young people and siguro to everyone na watching this interview. We are in the forefront of something great, something big, and we are revolutionizing this profession. So para sa akin lang, now that the opportunity is there, please grab it, don't let it go. Kasi you never know this kind of opportunities for people who want more out of life, want to prove something to themselves, and definitely for people who really want to succeed. So
We have our president here, Mr. William Barbo.
Sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Philippines and of course in other countries as well, this is the start of the new beginning, Uno Premier. If you like to have luxury of life at the same time, you want financial stability, this is it, Uno Premier.
We are now with Harvey Chua, the Vice President of Uno Premier.
Happy kami kasi maraming awardees, maraming successful na naman. So, dapat next time, kayo naman ang susunod.
Mr. Oliver Chua, the Chief Operating Officer of Uno Premier.
We're going global, so we're so excited. Be with us.
Our mission with Uno Premier is to somehow elevate the standard of multi-level marketing in the industry here in the Philippines, and then eventually bring it to a lot of countries worldwide. Napakarami ng mga kababayan natin yung natulungan ng business ng Uno Premier. Yung iba sa kanila, in fact, umuwi na rito sa Philippines for good. Napakarami, lalo na rito sa Pilipinas, pinanganak ng sinasabi natin mahirap. And in fact, isa na ako mismo doon. Pero yung ipinanganak tayo ng mahirap, and then nabuhay tayo ng matagal, and then wala tayong ginawa, at the end, namatay tayo ng mahirap, para sa akin, kasalanan na yon. Kasi napakaraming opportunity nung nabubuhay tayo. Pagka alam mo kasi na ini-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo at alam mong merong pera sa ginagawa mo, put your heart into it and then guaranteed, it's just a matter of time, you'll get the success you've been waiting for.
Okay guys, dumating ka sa point na to ngayon, ito yung pinaka-importanting part sa video na to. Kumbaga regardless mag-decide ka na mag-join sa amin ngayon or mag-partner sa amin o hindi ngayon, everyday sobrang dami ng sumasali ngayon, then ikaw mismo, hindi mo mapipigilan yung video na to nakakalat sa internet. Think of it right now. Ako mismo, hindi mo ako kilala. Pero right now, nandito ka ngayon sa harapan ko, pinapanood mo yung video na to. Regardless you like it or not, yung friends mo, mapapanood itong video na to later on. Then, pag di ka nag-take action ngayon, pag yung friend mo nagustuhan yung negosyo na to, mauunahan ka nila. And if you are sick and tired of what you are doing right now, maybe this is the answer of what you are looking for, or maybe dun sa prayers mo mismo na hinihingi mo na matagal na. You know what? A piece of advice. Pag pinalagpas mo tong opportunity ng Uno Premier, can you do me a favor? Na the next opportunity na dadaan sa'yo, kailangan mo nang i-grab. Kasi alam mo kung bakit. The decision that I made before brought me here to where I am now because of that single decision na ginawa ko before. So you need to decide. Welcome to Uno Premier and be privileged. Guys, actually tapos na tayo. Pero may last point pa akong sasabihin sa'yo. If ever, tinapos mo yung video na to, then later on, pag nakatulog ka, mind you, ulitin mo yung video na to kasi hindi mo ako naintindihan. Pero later on, tonight, pag hindi ka nakatulog, kailangan mong kontakin kami ASAP, kailangan mong mag-decide ASAP. Regardless your situation right now, kailangan mag-decide mo na kagad. Kailangan mag-fill up ka na ng form kasi nga, this opportunity is something that you have to grab. Okay? God bless you.